Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Secret to Invest, bringing you back another freaking YouTube video. Look, man, first thing first, man, I just want to say, man, if you like the video, man, please like and subscribe, guys. It's free and it helps me grow my channel, guys. Much appreciated. Okay, but look, man, look. Okay. Let's be serious now, guys. So, first thing first, I'm gonna teach y'all how to find, a good growth stock. And the stock that I want to use, which I'm proud of that I found at the $14 level, is Palantir. And we all know, bro, Palantir right now is like the biggest talk in the whole stock market right now. Palantir this, Palantir that, Palantir beat earnings, Palantir this. And the reason how or why I found this stock is because I go to Robinhood, I go to my screen, if I can find it. Okay, guys, so I have two different type of screens. I have one for dividend stocks, and this is what I use to find stocks to buy for my portfolio to diversify, basically, et cetera, et cetera. But right now we're not talking about dividend stocks. We're talking about growth stocks. So, just go to screens, and then, just for example, I like buying like mid cap, like under $100 stocks, because your boy barely be making money, bro. I make 44K a year. But yeah, man, look, man, so when I make a screen, I always make sure to have over a million, always have over a million current volume. And I make this key: if a stock does not have a million current volume, do not trade that stock, because you will not be able to get out and get in buying that stock or buying options or selling your options. Trust me, bro. I learned, and it was the best. It was the freaking worst, man. I'm telling you that right now. So make sure your average volume is at least over a million average volume. And then the share price, I'll say under $100. Like $100 to me is somewhat reasonable. And then from there, that's basically all you need, is to make sure that the volume is over 1 million, and that the share price is under 100. And then from there, look, I'm not sponsored by this app at all, but I use Qualtrim, and it's $10 a month. And it's so much easier to use this than go to Yahoo Finance and look at the spreadsheet and look at it year over year in each page. And this is much simpler. So look, guys, so the first thing that I look for is I go for the annually, which is year over year, and I click on this. And then the main thing I always look at is the revenue. Make sure that the revenue is constant growth, which it is. Palantir has constant growth. And the main thing that caught my eye for Palantir was the free cash flow. So this is like at least a small cap stock, and it had free cash flow, which is free positive cash flow, which is really good for a small cap stock. I mean, the net income really wasn't the best, but I seen it slowly but surely mature year over year, and now we are on the positive net income, which is really freaking great. Same goes for EPS. The EPS was really, really freaking bad, but like I said, once you look at it, you can see that this stock was slowly but surely becoming profitable when you look at this like metric or this balance sheet. Like, you can see that. And also the main thing that made me buy Palantir was more cash than debt. It has zero freaking debt. A stock like this, bro, it really caught my eye because this had zero debt. And you know how inflation is right now, is basically at 3%, and for a stock to have zero debt is really good. So this is what made me buy Palantir. And then, that's basically it. Like, it's not hard to basically find stocks before they go to the moon, to go to the uptrend. If you do your due diligence and actually do your research on a stock, before anybody else knows, then you basically won. Because, bro, people know about Palantir now, and every Wall Street investor knows about Palantir. But before the Wall Street investors, bro, we were at $14, $12, and only the retail investors that knew a good stock had this stock. and this and then you could probably hold the next stock that everybody talks about if you do your own research. So you know what I mean? And basically every single day I go through every single stock and I do the freaking due diligence, and I look at the balance sheet and I pick and choose the stock that I want to buy. I don't really buy every stock that has a good balance sheet. I try to diversify my portfolio because I am a dividend investor, but I hold two growth stocks, which is only Palantir and Tesla. And right now, Palantir is my highest earning stock in my portfolio, which I probably wanna. I kind of want to like cut it a little bit because it's getting to that point where it's risky to hold. It's mostly 25% of my portfolio, which is really bad. But look, man, if this helped you out, man, please like and subscribe, guys. It's free and it helps me grow my channel, guys. But hey, man, that's it for the video, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.